For a citation, you should include the name of the author and the year. There's one exception to this rule. If you cite the same author for a second time with an in-text citation in a paragraph, you can omit the year after the first in-text citation within the paragraph. So basically, if you use an in-text citation of the same author for the second time in a paragraph, you don't need to include the year. This rule starts over with a new paragraph. So in the same paragraph, if you have multiple in-text citations with the same author, you only need to include the year the first time. However, you do need to include a year with every parenthetical citation. So notice how in the first sentence, we have Thompson 2009. So that's the first time we included the in-text citation from Thompson. Now if you look down to the fourth line, it says, however, Thompson noted that. Notice that there is no year because any subsequent time that we mention Thompson within the text, we do not need to include the year. However, every parenthetical citation needs a year. And note that this paragraph is not a great model because it's all summary and paraphrase of Thompson with no analysis, but it demonstrates when to include a year within a citation. And again, if you are kind of remembering this later on when you're writing and you can't remember exactly how the rule works, know that we have a page on our website about when to include the year under the information about in-text citations on our website.